fix your crown, and everything else will fall into place. Yes. Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time tuning in, I would warmly want to welcome you, and hopefully you become part of the family by simply subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you're notified every time we do post a video. And of course, it's absolutely free and you get exclusive content and tutorials plus more. Yeah. And if you're a returning subscriber, I would really want to appreciate you for showing support and love to this channel. I really do appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, let's jump into today's video and dissect it. Yeah, so as per the title today, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 hairstyles that will give you that clean classic look, and you can wear this pretty much on every other occasion. These hairstyles are very versatile and will just complement whatever you're wearing. Of course, you know, they say fix your crown first and everything else will fall into place. So number one, of course, is a high bun. And yes, we are rocking that high bun. And if you do agree, I do look well groomed and well put together. Yeah, simply because nothing's really going to my face. The focus is more on my face. This is very good, especially for corporate occasion, and just for me, people to actually really take you seriously. You want that hair out of your face. And of course, it's also good because nice and airy, like I said, and you can wear it pretty much, you know, laid back on your day-to-day errands. You can wear it in the corporate sectors, business meetings. You can also wear it on that classic evening sport, either solo date or even a date with a loved one. So this is our number one hairstyle. Yeah, the high band, sleek high band. So that's number one. Number two is your straight backs, your cornrow straight backs.
Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just
These are really good, and they actually last. Yeah, you don't really have to do much retouch ups, unlike this one. You really have to do retouch ups like every other day, and this would last you for about a week or two, depending on how well you actually do take care of it. And of course, as I was saying, number two are straight back cornrows. These are very good. I'm going to insert a picture right here. These are good and neat, especially if you have it done. You have your cornrows down your straight backs by a pretty much qualified professional. That's very neat. Trust me, you can pretty much rock this hairstyle. Either you dressing it down or you dressing it up, it will definitely fit whatever occasion you're going to, whatever outfit you're wearing. This would be the look for you. And our number three would be, of course, the long ponytail.
tired of your shit, you almost show my mind. Long stay all night. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the corner.
So pretty much similar look, but the only difference is that it will have a ponytail, and this also kind of gives you, you know, a very relaxed feel, but put together, nice and neat, collective, a well groomed. And like the other two I've mentioned, this hairstyle is also versatile. You can dress it up or dress it down, fix your crown, and everything else will fall into place. Yeah, so this is a good one to actually go for. And last but not the least is our bob. Yeah,
Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back.
every lady needs a bob wig. that bob wig that you just need to put on. And I'd recommend you getting a glueless bob wig, simply because you don't want the hassle of actually having to want to glue it down every time you need to go out. So glueless a bob wig, definitely a plus, and also gives you that classic feel. It also gives you that well groomed, classic, and well put together woman look. So that's really about the hairstyles that I've shared, you guys. Please do let me know in the comment sections what your thoughts are on the hairstyles that I've actually shared, and which one was your favorite. Sorry, which one was your favorite, which one have you tried, and which one are you actually planning to try on. Otherwise, I really do hope you're actually having a great weekend. I'll definitely see you pretty much soon. So until the next one, it's Coolio for me, my loves. Bye bye.
What is waiting half a step beyond our door?